Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding which log base to use. Most hand techniques use base 10. Factor the number into tens and simple primes. Pull out 10 and first to get the characteristic. Once done, apply log rules. Split products and powers into sums and multiples so you only need logs of small primes or decimals. Make sure to rewrite repeating decimals as fractions when possible. This reduces work and sets you up for interpolation or lookup steps. Now reduce the problem into sums of known log values. You use memorized constants. For example, log 10, 2 equals 0. 3010 and log 10, 3 equals 0. 4771, and express factors as powers and reciprocals. This handles decimals quickly. Once you have a mantissa between table entries, interpolate linearly using the difference and your fractional position to improve precision. Also, convert negative powers into negatives of known logs when needed. Finish by summing the integer part, the characteristic from powers of 10, with the computed mantissa from your reduced factors. Round the mantissa to the precision you need and make sure to flip the sign if you used a reciprocal earlier. If the number seems wrong, recheck the prime factorization and each interpolation step. Small mistakes in decimal placement or a missed negative sign are the common culprits. Finally, verify by exponentiating the result roughly to see if it returns the original number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.